Hey everybody, welcome back here to Make Money Online Guy, and today we're going to be talking about 5 stocks that are going to potentially make you the type of money that you should have been making. Now, I've made money off all these stocks, and these are hot sectors and stocks that I believe are going to go up, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So let's get started. Number 5 is MARA. M-A-R-A, that's the ticker symbol. This is Marathon Patent Group. Marathon is a cryptocurrency miner with an emphasis on Bitcoin. This is an absolutely supercharged stock right now. Over the past 4 months, it's gone from $2 all the way to 48 bucks after hours year to date, which is kind of crazy. You know what I'm saying? The market capitalization is now at 3.5 billion. So as of close yesterday on February 16th, it was at $43, and opening today in a couple of minutes, it was at 48, but I don't know where it's going to hit, but I know it's going to go up. Now, MARA is taking advantage of what's going on with the Bitcoin game right now, so it's really taking off. I really think this business has somewhere to go, so you guys need to take a look at it. The operations of the business are still fairly small. In the latest quarter, they only made 835 grand, but there was also operating loss of 2 million, which was on the back end. That does not affect the stock price as of right now, though. Now, Marathon was smart to pull off a secondary offering of securities of MARA stock earlier, and they raised around $250 million. So that is going to even out their balance sheet. This company is going somewhere, and you guys should definitely check it out. M-A-R-A. Number 4. Nano Dimensions. Now, if anybody who knows about investing, ticker symbol NNDM, Nano Dimensions is a tech company, a 3D printing company, which is unique and unique in the technologies that they have for motherboards and for various components that are coming up. That's a unique technology that this company solely owns as of right now. The stock has gained over 155% over the last 3 months and continues to grow despite the offerings on stock that they've had lately, and they've been substantial. The stock price was $14.53. It has risen to $15.09 as of right before market open, but who's yet to be known. This stock has been fluctuating around the $13 to $17 range for a while, but this is definitely a long-term play and something that you guys need to go ahead and check out and look into. If anybody knows who Kathy Woods is, she loves this stock, and I in turn love Kathy Woods, so I'm going to be buying this stock. I already owned it before I sold out, and I ride the wave up and down, but I think this is the long-term play. This is the long-term play that you guys need to look into. So yeah, that's number 4. Number 3, RIOT Blockchain. Now, RIOT Blockchain is another cryptocurrency miner that has been in the game since 2000, and I really believe in them because they have risen through hell to get here, and I'm telling you guys that you need to go ahead and check it out. Now, the ticker symbol is RIOT. The hot thing about this is it's closely tied to Bitcoin success, like MARA stock I was telling you guys about. Now, these stocks have been taking off lately this month, and I'm telling you, it's still going places. It's going to continue to go places, especially just what's happening with Bitcoin, which is closely tied to RIOT and all the Bitcoin mining. Obviously, if that price fluctuates and go down, these are closely tied to it, so be on the watch for that. But this stock is something that I would invest in and something I would continue to push on you guys and tell you to go ahead and take a look at. Now, they closed at $59.50, and then they went all the way up as high as $69 in the after hour. They're down to $67, but that's still a 13.45% gain. So that is definitely a stock you guys need to be looking out for. Make sure that you guys do your own due diligence and you make your own decisions when you're doing the stock market. And when you listen to somebody, make up your mind, do your own research, and then make sure you believe in it before you invest in it. But this is just another one. I'm letting you guys know that I like it and I'm going to invest in that one. Now, number 2, Bionano-Genomics, BNGO sticker symbol. Bionamics is another pharmaceutical company, and you guys know the pharmaceutical sector right now is going crazy. You know the sickness that's been happening last year, man, it is going crazy. All the vaccine companies and pharmaceutical companies are kind of taking off right now. So this is one right here that we really have to watch. As of year to date, it is up over 400% on the stock price. It was $15.57 as of close yesterday, but opening pre-market today, it is down to $14.81, which is actually pretty good, because when these stocks take a dip is when you guys need to get into the game. So definitely check that stock out. That stock is on the rise, and I think it's going to be a long-term play for a lot of you out there. So definitely check out that ticker symbol BNGO and keep your eyes on it. Number one. Now, number one, I've always been holding since it was about $1.84. This one is going through the roof right now, and the name of it is SENS Holding. Now, if anybody who's in the stock right now who's holding SENS, you are a lucky person right now. SENS is a medical technology company focused on the development of commercialization of long-term implantable continuous glucose monitoring. Now, short term is they have a device that's going to work with diabetes simultaneously, where it can send alerts to your phone through embedding of a chip in your skin. So you know what? This is a unique technology, and this company is due to take off as of right now. Now, they are scheduled to have a meeting Thursday, February 25th, 2021 at 12, a conference call with investors relations. So I expect the stock price will possibly go up after this meeting on the February 25th. SENS is a huge stock to look into and possibly buy. Like I said, I've made a ton of money with this stock, and I'm passing it on to you so you can have that opportunity to make money too on these stocks. SENS is a good stock to get into if you want to make money. Now, a lot of these investing in stocks that I'm telling you to invest in and buy does not necessarily mean that you're going to make the money that you want to right away. These are just the stocks that's been making me a lot of money. You do this at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you right now, from my own personal opinion, these stocks are what's going to blow up. These are the stocks that have been making me money, and this channel is about making my viewers money. So go ahead and check those stocks out. If you guys believe in these top 5 stocks, let me know what you think about these stocks. What stocks are you in, and what stocks are you looking to get in, and what stocks should we look at? Go ahead and comment down below and tell me what you guys think, and how much are you holding, or what do you think about these stocks? I really appreciate it if you guys go ahead and comment down below and let me know. We're always going to give you good content here. I will be back here every week or every couple of days with a couple of more stocks for you guys as they come up. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can grow and we can all have ideas together and we can all get money together. Thank you for your time.